I know, it has been a while. Where am I? What's going on? So training has been super crazy. I had to focus on the training more, or else I won't be able to bring more videos for you, right? Because I would just fail. However, I am more regular on the vlog channel than here. But my Instagram is where it's @baby. I've been doing the Zoella photo a day challenge. So throughout December, I'm posting like minimum 3 photos every day. So you can stay up to date with all my info there. But right now, I wanted to do this really nice makeup tutorial. Currently drinking this jasmine green tea. At first I thought it was disgusting, but now it's kind of growing on me. My primer is the same. I've been using the Wet n Wild Dewy Luminux, I don't know, primer. It makes your face look really dewy and doesn't, well, I won't say it really mattifies your face. Does it blur your pores and all? I don't know, to be honest. I just wanted a glowy look on my face, so I'm happy with it, not gonna lie. Okay, now here's the interesting part, and I want to make a review for this. This is the Fit Me foundation. I love this stuff. It's amazing. Now ideally I should be putting this on the back of my hand, taking a little bit and then applying, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go straight in, buddy. I don't have the time and energy for that. So now this is a full coverage makeup tutorial, so I'm gonna pack on that foundation, okay? Like this angle is not very well. Now I'm gonna brighten up my under eyes with my trusty old yellow color corrector. Who remembers when I used to apply this? It's bottom, I've hit pan. Now I'm gonna skip my LA Girl concealer. I know what, but I already have a lot of foundation. So I'm gonna use this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, which is a shade lighter. Use it to highlight and hide the yellowness as well. Why I use the yellow concealer, you ask? To just brighten up my under eyes. Whoa, what's with the lighting, man? Is this better? Forget the background. Now I'm gonna take some of that Rimmel London translucent powder. I love this stuff, man, so much, and I'm gonna put quite a bit under my eyes and then rub it away there and then. I don't like to bake anymore. I don't know, I just don't. I'm gonna take my Hoola bronzer. Oh my god, I've not bronzed my face in forever. Let me, yes. So this will also balance out the whiteness of the face. I don't know why the lighting is shifting so much here right now. You know what, I'm gonna change positions and move closer to the window because this is not happening. Better, no? Oh my god, thank goodness I shifted before I do the eye makeup. Okay, the brightness is way too much right now. Here we go, I'm gonna warm up my face with this. Now I am going to, I guess now we can get into the eyeshadow, so let's. Okay, so I'm done with makeup on one eye. Let's try to get this done on the second eye. Okay, so I'm going to be using the NYX Perfect Filter makeup palette. It's a really nice makeup palette. I've never tried NYX. I've never tried anything from NYX really, but these eyeshadows I'm so impressed with. So we are going to be using this eyeshadow right here. Then we're going to be using this eyeshadow and this eyeshadow together, and in the end we're going to top it off with this eyeshadow and a little help of other eyeshadows from my other makeup palette. The brush that I was going to use suddenly got wet and I don't want to wait for it to dry, so I'm just using whatever brushes I have. That was the only brush that I actually like to use when it comes to eyeshadow. So now first I'm going to take the brown eyeshadow, apply it in the outer corner, and remember, whatever you do on the top eye, we do on the bottom eye, okay? I'm first putting the grey eyeshadow in my crease, lower lash line. and then you blend. We try to make it look not so obvious. We've got some smokiness going on. If you want, you can leave it like this. Sorry about the upper lip sweat. You can leave it like this if you want, but I'm not. I'm gonna take the pink and kind of make it a bit unpredictable, because this is like predictable. Okay, you try to do a smoky kind of a look. Okay, got it. Then I'm gonna place it in the middle of my eye. How pretty, right? And then on the bottom, this is such a pretty holographic pink color. I love it. It's so beautiful. So that when you move in the light, it looks pretty. This isn't doing something. I think this is... I'm so sorry for this crap lighting. Like, oh my god, you can't even see. I'm going to take my Miss Claire eyeshadow palette and take the hot pink. So I'm going to take this color and this color, mix in a little bit of both, and then put that in the middle of my eye to kind of make the pink pop even more. I'm gonna take this Chameleon Shadow Frost loose powder, okay? It comes like this in a roller ball, and this is basically like magenta frosted eyeshadow glitter. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my eye, a little bit on the bottom eye. So now this is not too much glitter, like this is not glitter, it's frosted, right? So it's not gonna look too much, but then at least the pink will make a statement, you know. It's not like, oh, does she have anything? The eyeshadow will not look muddy at least. Yeah, I'm much happier with this eye than this eye. I don't know why. There you go. Now let me put some mascara and eyeliner and I'll be right back. Update! Done with the eyeshadow, eyeliner and mascara. Let me show you what I've used. For eyeliner, I've used, of course, my Lakme Absolute Shine Line, all-time favorite. For mascara, I've used a cocktail of the Kiko Milano 30-Day Extension Daily Treatment Mascara and the Maybelline Lash Sensational, which is in a pathetic shape, so let's just skip that. But lovely combination. Yes, of course, I have curled my eyelashes and I filled in my eyebrows to make them look a bit full and thick with the Innisfree eyebrow thing. So let's get to the cheeks now. Okay, so let's finish this up quickly. I'm using the YBP color cream in the color Princess for my cheeks. Now since our eyes are somewhat, would you call this subtle? I don't know, like the eyeshadow is not too overpowering, so I'm gonna try to keep the blush and the lipstick a bit heavy, but by heavy I don't mean go crazy like. Now when it comes to getting a natural blush, cream blushes are great because you can really maneuver them in that sense, and cream blushes just blend into your skin as if they're just part of your skin so beautifully. So I really love cream blushes for that. But I really think I like this kind of intensity. This is a bit, just a bit, tad bit too much for me. So how do you reduce the intensity of a blush that has gone too overboard? Just take your powder brush, whichever brush you use to powder, and then just whatever is left on it, you put it, yeah. Now if you have a magenta lipstick, you don't have to do all this chindigiri like me. There you go. I think this looks much better. So I've just patted all the eyeshadows that I applied on my eyes right now on my lips, and there you go. I've actually patted it on in the middle more and then just blended it on the side. I love this. This is the perfect one. So now let me roll some posing shots now.